Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can increase the text size at the Samsung Galaxy A16. For that we will need the settings for. So just scroll in here, tap on the symbol for the settings. Now we need to scroll down to the point display, and a bit below we will find here the point font size and style. So I've increased already here the text size to show you here the video better, and yeah, this is the default settings here. Or these are the default settings, I'm sorry. And yeah, I've increased it 2 points larger. Please don't increase it too much because it has a negative effect on the notifications. You can't read them well anymore, as you can see. So if you want to increase the text size, do it at maximum, just 2 points as the default settings before. There's another way to increase the text size. Let me go back here to the display settings. We have the screen zoom here below font size and style, and you can increase as well the items. No? You can make it as more. You can make it as well a bit larger. No? So pretty nice. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and show you the opportunities here, how to increase the text size. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. Yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.